If he were oblivious, the female could also make the first move. Either way, nature takes its course. It's good to be king. The missus, meanwhile, has another hankering. For termites. The post-coital confection really hits the spot. Her daughter comes to see what's up. She's never seen a snack that walks. Now she can play with her food. Gorillas rely on their agile fingers. They don't use tools. And termites are about the biggest game gorillas hunt. They mainly eat leaves, fruit, and seeds. Macumba heads out in search of his supper. Sometimes the best dining spot lies outside the neighborhood. Today, he finds a small clearing. With a big obstacle. Forest elephants. Macumba has reservations. Elephants can charge if they feel threatened, and he takes no chances with his family. Now the family can enjoy their salad. Until a sudden sound disrupts the picnic. It might be the leopard. The little ones grab their moms. Another silverback. This could mean all-out war. Macumba has to make a tough decision. If he faces off against his opponent and wins, he can claim the loser's mates and expand his harem. But if he loses everything. He weighs his options. before calling his clan back. Turns out King Kong is a lover, not a fighter. As twilight falls, the family heads to the treetops, where they build nests to sleep.